Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through a clean and modern HTML admin dashboard template built using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. This template is the top navigation bar. It includes the menu toggle, notifications, and user profile options. The navbar is responsive and gives quick access to important actions. This is the main dashboard page, index.html. It shows an overview of the system with stats, cards, and key information. The layout is clean, responsive, and easy to customize. This page is the SaaS dashboard. It provides an overview of important data like performance metrics, analytics, and system status. The layout is clean and well organized, making it easy to understand key information at a glance. This dashboard is ideal for SaaS platforms, analytic systems, and this is the crypto dashboard page. It displays cryptocurrency data such as market trends, prices, and performance metrics. The layout is clean and easy to read, helping users quickly track important crypto information. This dashboard is ideal for crypto platforms, trading systems, and financial applications. This is the blog dashboard page. It helps manage blog content such as posts, categories, comments, and statistics. The layout is simple and organized, making content management easy and efficient. This dashboard is ideal for blogging platforms and content management systems. This is the job dashboard page. It provides an overview of job listings, applications, and recruitment statistics. The layout is clean and well organized, making it easy to manage hiring activities. This dashboard is ideal for job portals and recruitment platforms. This page shows the light sidebar layout. The sidebar uses a bright, clean design that improves readability and user experience. It's ideal for users who prefer a simple and minimal interface. This layout works well for admin panels and dashboards. This page features the compact sidebar layout. The sidebar is slim and space-saving, giving more room for the main content. It's great for users who want a minimal and efficient dashboard interface. This layout is perfect for admin panels where screen space is important. This page showcases the icon sidebar layout. The sidebar uses icons only, without text labels, for a clean and modern look. It saves space while still providing easy navigation. This layout is perfect for users who prefer a minimal and sleek dashboard design. This page features the boxed layout. The content is contained within a fixed-width box centered on the screen. This design creates a neat and focused appearance, especially on large displays. It's ideal for dashboards or admin panels where you want a clean, contained look. This page demonstrates the horizontal preloader layout. It features a sleek loading bar at the top of the page to indicate progress while content is loading. This improves user experience by providing visual feedback during page transitions. It's perfect for applications where smooth loading. This page features a colored sidebar layout. The sidebar uses vibrant colors to make navigation stand out and add personality to the dashboard. It helps users easily identify menu sections and improves the overall visual appeal. This layout is great for projects that want a bold and lively admin interface. This page shows the scrollable layout. The sidebar and content area are both scrollable independently, allowing easier navigation through long menus or content. This improves usability on dashboards with many options or extensive data. It's ideal for complex admin panels where space and accessibility matter. This page features the horizontal layout. Instead of a sidebar, the main navigation is placed horizontally at the top of the page. This layout maximizes vertical space and offers a clean, modern look. It's perfect for dashboards or apps that prefer a top navigation style. This page shows the horizontal boxed width layout. It combines a horizontal top navigation with a boxed content area centered on the screen. This design keeps the interface clean and focused, especially on wide screens. This page features the horizontal preloader layout. It includes a sleek loading bar at the top of the page that shows progress while content loads. This helps improve user experience by providing visual feedback during page transitions. It's perfect for apps that want a smooth and modern loading indicator. This page features the horizontal preloader layout. It includes a sleek loading bar at the top of the page that shows progress while content loads. This helps improve user experience by providing visual feedback during page transitions. It's perfect for apps that want a smooth and modern loading indicator. This page shows the calendar view. It allows users to see events, appointments, and schedules in a clean monthly layout. The calendar is interactive and easy to navigate, making it perfect for managing dates and tasks. It's ideal for admin panels, booking systems, and productivity apps. This page displays the full featured calendar. It offers a comprehensive view of events with options to add, edit, and manage appointments. The calendar supports multiple views like day, week, and month for flexible scheduling. It's perfect for. This page features the chat interface. It allows real-time messaging between users with a clean and user-friendly design. The chat supports message threads, timestamps, and user avatars for easy conversations. It's ideal for admin panels, support systems, and collaboration ops. This page showcases the File Manager app. It allows users to organize, upload, and manage files with an intuitive interface. Features include file browsing, folder creation, and drag-and-drop support. It's perfect for admin panels, cloud storage apps, and content management systems. This page displays the e-commerce products list. It shows product details such as images, prices, stock status, and actions like edit or delete. The layout is clean and easy to navigate, helping admins manage their product inventory efficiently. It's ideal for online stores. This page shows the e-commerce product detail view. It provides detailed information about a specific product, including images, description, price, and stock availability. Admins can edit product details or manage inventory from this page. It's perfect for online stores and product management dashboards. This page displays the e-commerce orders list. It shows detailed information about customer orders, including order ID, status, date, and total amount. Admins can track, update, or manage orders efficiently from this page. This page shows the e-commerce customers list. It displays customer details like names, contact info, and order history. Admins can manage customer profiles and track user activity easily. This page shows the e-commerce shopping cart. Users can review the items they've added, update quantities, or remove products before checkout. The layout is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to manage the cart contents. This page features the e-commerce checkout process. Customers can enter their shipping details, select payment methods, and review their order before confirming. The clean and straightforward layout helps ensure a smooth. This page displays the e-commerce shops list. It shows various shops or vendors with details like name, location, and ratings. Users can browse and select shops to explore their products or services. It's perfect for marketplaces. This page features the Add New Product form. Admins can enter product details like name, description, price, category, and upload images. The clean layout makes it easy to add products quickly and efficiently. This page displays the crypto wallet dashboard. Users can view their cryptocurrency balances, recent transactions, and wallet activity. The layout is clean and intuitive, making it easy to manage digital assets securely. This page features the crypto buy and sell interface. Users can quickly buy or sell cryptocurrencies with real-time price updates. The clean design makes trading simple and straightforward. It's ideal for crypto. This page shows the crypto exchange dashboard. It provides tools for trading cryptocurrencies, viewing market trends, and managing orders. The layout is designed for easy navigation and quick access to trading features. It's perfect for cryptocurrency trading platforms and exchange applications. This page features the crypto lending dashboard. Users can view their lending portfolio, interest rates, and active loans. The clean and organized layout helps users manage their crypto lending activities easily. It's ideal for lending platforms and decentralized finance (DeFi) apps. This page shows the crypto orders list. It displays details of buy and sell orders, including status, price, and date. Users can track and manage their cryptocurrency trades efficiently. It's perfect for trading platforms and portfolio management apps. This page features the KYC, Know Your Customer, application form for crypto users. It allows users to submit identity documents and personal information for verification. This process helps ensure compliance and security on the platform. It's essential for crypto exchanges and financial services. This page is the ICO Initial Coin Offering landing page. It provides an overview of the crypto project, token details, and investment options. The clean and engaging design encourages users to learn about the ICO and participate. This page displays the list of invoices. It shows invoice numbers, dates, customer names, amounts, and payment status. Users can easily track and manage invoices from this organized view. It's perfect for billing systems and financial. This page shows the detailed view of an invoice. It includes invoice number, date, customer information, itemized charges, and total amount due. Users can review, print, or download the invoice from this page. It's perfect for billing systems and financial management applications. This page features the project's grid view. It displays multiple projects as cards in a grid layout, showing key details like project name, status, and deadlines. The design is clean and easy to browse, helping users manage their projects efficiently. It's ideal for project management dashboards and team collaboration tools. This page shows the project's list view. It presents projects in a detailed list format, including information like project name, owner, status, and deadlines. The layout helps users easily track and manage multiple projects at once. It's perfect for project management systems and team dashboards. This page displays the tasks list. It shows individual tasks with details like title, assignee, priority, and status. Users can easily manage and track their tasks from this organized view. It's ideal for task management and productivity apps. This page features the Kanban board for tasks. Tasks are organized visually into columns representing different stages like to do, in progress, and done. Users can drag and drop tasks to update their status easily. It's perfect for project management and agile workflows. This page is the Create Task screen. Users can add a new task by entering details like title, description, priority, and due date. The form is simple and easy to use, making task creation quick and efficient. It's ideal for task and project management systems. That's a quick overview of this admin dashboard template and its key features. You can explore different layouts, apps, and components to fit your project needs. If you like this template, feel free to use and customize it for your own projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more templates and tutorials. Thanks for watching.